Alright, what's good folks? Hope you're enjoying your day. I'm Campbell, some may know me as CK. Today we'll be going over my Colt Shorty build.
Don't get X out. I got my foot up on they neck. I can't let down. I'ma die about my respect. I can't play now. Got that bulldog on me. Don't get chewed up. Turn this scene to attract me. Chasing dollar on the back street. None of you niggas compare to me. I'm smoking on gas, you not high as me. You ain't get no money and it's plain to see. All these niggas going outside. Keep my feet up, count this bag. Bullets high that came from hell. A lot of bodies and a lot of shells.
Slide with Glock, it's on my hill. Watch how you move, you better not trill. VS my jewels, them bitches hit. We break the news when the block is spanned. New Gucci shoes, they cost your ring. I'm sippin' walk, it got me hot. Them cheap ass lines, you sippin' not. Tryna be with you, ain't that why you got God. Won't make time if it don't make money. Made my first dime on the way to 100. Can't lose no grind, still skate like Tony. I keep trill like triple S.
Alright, bet. So we're here at the crib. Tried to do this bike check earlier at the skate park. Classic St. Cloud, however, the winds of 420 miles per hour prohibited me from being able to get good audio on that bike check. So we're here at the crib. Start up top. We got Odyssey, Par Ends, Supreme product. Cinema grips, Eclat Strangler handlebars. Some may wonder why these bars are this color. My homie had some pink paint on them. We stripped it off and did not put any clear coat. Rode my bike in the rain. The Charlie Crumlish effect. Cinema Corey Martinez stem. Odyssey headset. With the Colt Sect fork. The stem clocks in at 48 millimeters of reach, so the bars are nice and close. I almost want to go shorter, but for now, it's good. I used to be on 28 mil fork dropouts. Made the switch to the Sect 18 mil. I'm really liking it. Makes the front end a lot more responsive. Odyssey Hazard Light rim with Odyssey Vandero Pro hub and the corresponding hub guards on both sides, because I grind on both sides. We got 2 stolen Thermalite pegs. I've had these for, golly, I don't know, a long fucking time. That tells you how many Smiths and hangers I don't do. Merit option tire, moving this direction. Is that everything up there? Moving this direction, we got the Colt Shorty frame, 21 inches on the top tube. I really like the geometry on here. 75.5 degrees on the head tube, 11.8 inches on the bottom bracket. So it's nice out of the way for crooks, and it's 13 slammed on the rear end, and I do indeed run it slammed. Here we got an Odyssey seat post attached to a Colt pivotal seat. Stranger Eric Lichtenberger Stranger Graham sprocket, 28 teeth, Colt Chase Hawk cranks, 165 millimeter, VSD Jones and pedals, Sam Jones signature. Is that everything? Oh, bottom bracket, Shadow Conspiracy. The 165 mil cranks pair quite nicely with the 28 tooth sprocket. You give her 2 good cranks, hauling ass. Here we got another Merit option tire, Cinema 888 rim, laced to a Cinema FX2 free coaster with Cinema drive side and non-drive side hub guards. And the pegs on the back are VSD Rude tube. And rounding that all off, Merit halfling chain. So yeah, built this thing up over the course of the summer. Feels great to dial every last detail in exactly to the measurements of my liking. Even such thing that changing millimeters of rise on the stem. The paint on the frame is a dope ass color. Now, it's chipping everywhere, so that leads me to believe it may not be the best quality paint, but shout out to the dude who sold it to me. He painted it before I bought it and sold it to me for the low, so chilling. Sick ass frame. Cop the forks as well, lightly used for the low, and everything else is brand new. So yeah, go outside, drink water, have fun.
Woo. Burn the road. Burn the road. Burn the road.
I'ma fuck that bitch. Because I can. It's hollow man, we in 1,000 band land. I'm dipping in my 46, going fast I can. If that pussy good, I'ma let her slide again. Say what the fuck? We go ball twins. I hope to God I can see that ass again.